What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett back with another video, and in this video, man, I'm gonna be pretty much vlogging my trading day. Last night I was able to close a nice trade on EA for the short, and we're gonna get into that later. We're gonna jump into the charts, and I'm gonna show you guys the opportunities that I'm looking for today. All right, so I just want to thank everybody, man, for all the views from the last video. So about, you know, the truth about being a funded trader, and also, you know, I just want to thank all the new subscribers and all that. We cracked 800, which is phenomenal. We got 200 more, man, before we hit 1,000. So if you're new to, if this is your first time watching my videos, man, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. But first, coffee. All right, got my coffee. Let's get activated. So we're gonna jump on the charts in a few minutes. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking for today. Just a quick update. Like I was trading EA and GU. EA I'm gonna stick with, and I swapped out GU for NAS 100. So usually I don't trade Asia session. I rarely trade Asia session. So going into this year, I wanted to start to wake up a tad bit later. Around, you know, I used to wake up last year around 4 a.m. So now I'm waking up about 5, going through my morning routine, you know, getting in front of the charts about 6:30, 6:45, 7 o'clock, I'm ready to go. So Nasdaq is something that I wanted to jump into. It was US 30, but US 30 just is too violent for me. So Nasdaq is pretty much the same. It's just a tad bit slower, and I just like the moves. The candles are a lot cleaner. So I swapped that out for GU. So this year I'm going to be trading EA and Nasdaq. But you know, we're gonna jump into the charts. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. Any opportunities available. We're gonna hopefully get some great ones, execute, and have a great trading day. All right, so we are on the screens right now. We're on the charts, man. So let me just move this out the way. I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took yesterday, and we're gonna break down what's going on right now, man, so you guys can see the opportunities that I'm looking for today. All right, so yesterday I caught a trade on EA for the short. All right, and I remember I had this H1. It found a level of support here, right? And so my analysis told me that price could potentially push to the downside a little bit more. I'm sorry, it was here. So we had this big pop up, right? A break back below, a wick thrown to the upside. We had a fake out candle, right, to entice buyers to go long. And then once this candle closed, on the lower time frames, I was able to get in. So I think I jumped in on the 15-minute chart, right? So we had this big fake out candle, this just enticing everybody to go long, and then the next candle shorted. So when that candle shorted, I had took an entry. My entry was 1.60 101. I was risking 20 pips, and my take profit was 61. Right, so that's pretty much how the trade looked. Pretty simple, break and retest. The market broke below, came back to retest as resistance, and we continued on to the downside. Right, I had a projection down here at my daily support at 159.30, but I knew that this area, this zone here, was a nice H4 support zone or swing zone. I'm sorry, and price could react to this area, so that's why I just took profit here once we got into this area. So when I woke up this morning, I see that price had dipped down to my daily support. So pretty much what I'm looking for is a bounce, honestly. You can see that this was a major area of resistance. Resistance in the past. Here. Price broke above it, came back to retest. Now we're testing it as support. So if this holds, and I can get rid of this, if this holds and we start to get some bullish candles thrown to the, some bullish candles and some wicks thrown to the downside, then I'll be looking to take price potentially back up to either this area for a nice intraday trade, or even back up to this daily resistance at 1.6060, right? So essentially it'll look like, let me move this. We had a dip down. Essentially, you could get a move back up to this area, right? But if this structure area is broken, then what I'll be looking for is a push, a retest, and then a continuation to the downside. All right, so we're just gonna keep it super simple, nothing crazy. Let's jump over to Nasdaq. So with Nasdaq, I actually missed this trade yesterday. It took off so fast that I wasn't able to set my entry. By the time I was looking at it, well, by the time I was ready to set my entry, I was trying to take it off of this bullish engulfing right here, and push to this area. But by the time I was able to place my entry, it had already moved up here, and I didn't want to chase the trade. It is what it is, you know, it happens. But right now, you know, this thing is storming. We kind of broke out of this consolidation area that we had marked off right here. All this consolidation, we finally broke out of it. So what I'm looking for price to do, hopefully, I don't know if we're going to retest this area. It kind of broke above, came back to retest, and we pushing higher. But I would want to see at the 930 open a kind of just a dump off to kind of entice sellers to take this thing short. And if we can get some nice bullish price action, then we can probably push back up and go to this zone, or even back up to this resistance area here. So that'll be a nice play if that is to set up. Yeah, so right now, man, I'm just in a holding pattern. I'm just trying to stay patient. Only thing that could possibly set up soon is EA. But, you know, I'm working hard on my patience and not, you know, and really focusing on just taking high probability trades and understanding that every time you get in front of the market, you don't have to trade. You don't have to be doing something. You know what I'm saying? You can use this time to back test. You can use this time to hone in your skills more. But always being inside the market is not a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Because over trading is you damn near gambling. So, you know, I'm just trying to make it a point to just be more patient, only take high quality trades. And, you know, less is more, man. That's my whole goal for this year. Less is more. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm waiting for a retest of this area and a potential bounce. And I'm waiting for price to kind of just start showing me that we're going to start pushing to the upside. So now we are getting a rejection candle right now on the H1. So if we can start to breathe back above this, maybe come back to retest and give another bullish candle, then I'll definitely be looking to take this long back up to here, or even back up to here. Because overall, EA is bullish on the higher time frames, right? So we had this huge bullish candle. We hit the weekly resistance and it just died this week. But the thing about EA is that it does real deep pullbacks. So you can see we had this candle, we had a deep pullback. It went bullish. Deep pullback, it went bullish. Deep pullback. So if we start to push to the upside, then this whole thing could probably be a wick by the end of this week. You know, and EA has been doing that for the past few weeks, where we've had this nice bullish push and then a deep pullback, big push, deep pullback, and then we can probably push to the upside. So let's see where we are as far as fibs. We right, you know, 61.8 area. So if we definitely close back above 159.50, then it'll definitely start to probably rally to the upside. So we'll see. We just gonna wait and be patient right now. But yeah, that's it. All right, so man, just an update on what's going on. So on EA, you can still see like we waiting for price to kind of bounce off of this support area and give us some price action on like the 30-minute or so. As we close back above it, we should be good to go. But we'll see. And Nasdaq is just, I was waiting for a nice pullback, but it don't look like we getting that. But it's all good, you know. But I just wanted to like show y'all that, man, because you know a lot of times, even myself, you know, I have a problem with being patient. If you watched a few of my videos, you done heard me say that. So I'm being really intentional about just being patient and waiting for the proper setup. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, just going from there. So you know, today looks like we might just be in a holding pattern. We might just be waiting. You know what I'm saying? So I'll check back in later. let y'all know what's going on. I have a phenomenal day.
What you doing your day?
Hey, what you want, bro? Jesus Christ, come on, old man, stretch it out. All right, so I had to get out the house real quick, man. I feel like, being in front of the charts all the time ain't a good thing. You know what I'm saying? So I came out to the local park, walk around. I'm still monitoring. I ain't jumped in none yet today. I'm still waiting on EA to set up. And it's looking like it's kind of, doing something. It broke above that daily support area I had. I don't know. There we go. It broke above that daily support area I had. And it came back to retest it for a second time. So if we can get a bullish candle, then we might be good to go. But other than that, man, we just chilling today. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah. So if we can get a bullish candle, then we might be good to go. All right, so this is an update. So we finally got a push up, right? And then a pullback, and then we got the nice bullish engulfing candle to possibly go long, man. So I took a trade. That's how we looking right now. We only up a few pips, nothing too crazy. So let's see if we can get a push, all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? Right. Nah, you right. You 100% right, bro.
I'm just trading on a very low scale right now, just trying to win trade. Trying to call the right trade.
Yeah. Nah, get that.
Right setup.
Yeah, get that consistency right. Shit. And then stand up in they shit.
Big facts, big facts. But yeah, man. I actually was gonna probably shoot a video tomorrow, like an introduction video.
Right.
Talking about being funded and all that, and how I drew my shit down, and I'm on bill. Come back.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, just do that there, pop it off, shit.
Oh shit, yeah, man. Go ahead.
And I need to have probably call platform and that shit, try to help me get started with some views and shit. But the one I know that's really got a following going and shit.
Yeah. Nah, we can make it.
And you know once you get to 1,000 followers, then you feel like you can get there.
Yeah. Yeah. See, I just said that shit earlier, bro. Like I'm at 800 right now.
I think you got 800.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm closing in on it.
You just gotta make sure you're getting them watch hours too, because that's why I'm on the podcast trying to get really just YouTube money for real estate like right now.
Right.
But I think you need like 1,000 followers.
And 4,000 watch hours.
Yeah. And watch hours is really where it's at.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, we gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? Shit, just the whole thing is just being consistent. That's it. I ain't really tracking the views and all that shit. I'm just trying to be consistent and just keep pumping out content.
Right.
Yeah.
Keep it up, nigga.
Oh, you already know.
Yeah.
You already know. Appreciate that.
But yeah, nigga, we'll chop it up later, folks.
That's a bet.
Alright.
Yeah. All right, man. So this was my first vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know, man, if y'all like these style of videos, man, or if you don't like it, man. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Share, man. I appreciate all the feedback that I've been getting. Follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. And I'll update y'all on this trade. You know what I'm saying? And I know I didn't mention it, but this is the My Forex Funds Challenge. For another $100,000, we're going right back at it. We're gonna get it, lock it in, and then we're gonna move on and lock in another 200,000. All right. So until next week, y'all have a blessed one. All pressure, all precision, all performance. Let's get it.